Unicom Textile Mills Limited. Since 1994, Unicom has been a frontline contributor in the march forward of the export-oriented clothing industry of Bangladesh. Situated at Shiachor Fotullah in Narayanganj, Unicom's production base is self-reliant in order for manufacturing and exporting high-quality woven fabrics. It supplies woven fabrics to the export-oriented garment factories on demand. Unicom is a licensee fabric manufacturer for the globally reputed buyers such as H&M, C&A, LPP, M&S, Perry Ellis and Celio. David Howard, Prominent, Centerline and Aditya Birla import from Unicom. To ensure uninterrupted power round the clock to all of the operations here, Unicom has a 3.5 megawatt power generation system which is able to support its entire power demand. All the water that Unicom consumes is pumped through its own deep tube wells and is appropriately treated through a water softening plant having the capacity of 75 cubic meters per hour. Unicom imports yarns and greige fabrics from assorted suppliers in Indonesia, Thailand and India. Its yarn dyeing production capacity amounts to 6.5 tons of world standard dyed cotton and blends of yarns per day. It is equipped with SSM hard and soft coning machines, Starlem dryers and the likes. In weaving, Unicom is equipped with high-tech machinery. It has sizing machine from the world best technology provider Karl Mayer, Germany. Unicom has got the latest Toyota JAT810 and Sudakoma ZAX9200i airjet looms. It produces on average 20,000 yards of prime quality cotton and poly cotton blended woven fabrics per day. Gray inspection strictly conforms to 4-point checking system yard by yard for all the fabrics it produces. Heading for dyeing, however, at the entry point, all the greige fabrics must have to pass sample tests for each lots and patches invariably. Unicom is self-sufficient to dye all the greige fabrics it produces and imports. The grey fabrics pass through singeing and desizing, scouring, bleaching, mercerizing, dyeing, printing, finishing, inspection and packaging. All these are done using machines from world-leading brands and makers. It processes fabrics through the state-of-the-art machines such as singeing and desizing from Osthoff, Germany, and continuous scouring as well as bleaching from Benninger of Switzerland. It has got AOP from Zimmer of Austria and Stock from Holland for printing, while laser engraving machine from Switzerland. 8-headed digital textile printing machine has been installed. With production capacity up to 2,000 yards per day, it does reactive printing on 100% cotton and silk fabrics in 8 colors. Unicom has continuous dyeing range from Montfort's, Germany and pad steam wash from Benninger, Switzerland. It has Montfort's Montfong Stanter machines, Laffer and Zetma Peach machines and Aero 24 special finishing machines which are of world champion brands from Europe. All machines have been installed during 2016 to 2017. Unicom's dyeing finishing capacity at present is about 100,000 yards per day. To ensure the height of dyeing standards, it maintains a state-of-the-art laboratory which applies world-class test protocols calibrated most sophisticatedly. Pilot lab for solid dyeing and all other testing facilities are the hottest in the world. All here are meant to ensure perfection in fabric dyeing. Unicom's lab is accredited by H&M. Finished fabrics are stored conforming to the best protocols of contemporary industrial science. Fabrics that Unicom produces include TC, CVC, viscose, 100% cotton, solid, print and yarn dyed fabrics. Maintaining a growth rate of over 15%, Unicom exported fabrics worth $21 million in 2016, $24 million in 2017 and $30 million in 2018. By the end of 2019, export is expected to reach the 40 million mark. Growth has been projected to be continuing in the same fashion in years to come. It can be mentioned that Unicom is successfully certified and awarded with Oecotex, OCS and H&M Gold in 2018. It runs a 150 cubic meter an hour capacities effluent treatment plant of most contemporary technology. This ETP cleanses industrial effluents both chemically and biologically and dehydrates sludge in the most environment-friendly way. Its caustic recovery plant recovers about 70% of the caustic soda used in mercerizing of fabrics. Plant's capacity is 4.5 tons per day. This recovered soda is reused in the process again and again continually. Nearly 1,000 people are working here in the most pleasant environment. It provides personal health and hygiene measures, appropriate medical care, befitting maternity attention and benefits, safe and homely childcare services, and some other incentive. Firefighting preparation gets an extra emphasis here. It exercises firefighting and evacuation drill on a regular schedule. It maintains a pond inside the premise that reserves recycled water from production and rainwater as well. It adds to its firefighting preparation. However, a workers' participation committee is here to build and develop awareness among employees and workers about their rights and responsibilities. Yes, led by competent entrepreneurs, managers, professionals, experts and staff, Unicom is committed to pack its buyers every single penny with value and satisfaction.